Hello everyone, today I would like to discuss how to see the logs of an installed app with the help of Android device monitor which was removed from Android Studio 3.2. You can see the logs with the help of Logcat also in Android Studio, but if you are working on a Flutter project you need to configure the Android framework by clicking the event log and need to click on the configure to see the Logcat here. So anyway, I will show how to achieve the same thing with the Android device monitor. Android device monitor provides several tools like file explorer, threads, allocation, tracker, etc. at one place. So when the app is stopped connection with the Android Studio, I mean in release mode, you need a logcat or device monitor to see the logs. Anyway, I will show you how to see the logs in Android device monitor for those who are not aware about this one. I have installed uh, I have installed the release APK, one release APK in the real device, this one. You can log text using print statement if you don't want to use any external logger libraries in case of Flutter. And this is the default new Flutter project, and I am printing the counter value for seeing this in the logs here. So in case of native Android development, you can use respective print statement. So let's go to the location, see users, your username, and you need to check the hidden items here to view this path to view the app data. So click on that, click on local, and find Android SDK tools, and you can run the Android device monitor by launching the command prompt from here. So enter cmd and enter. Here you can type monitor and press enter. See, here logcat will show logs of all the Android libraries or framework that the device is using at that time. So there are a lot of services running, so that while logcat prints a lot of logs, you can filter the result by putting the various filters. For example, if you want filter the result for Flutter apps, click on this plus button, and in by log tag, give the by log tag as Flutter and give any name here and click on OK. Now let's go to the app, click on the launch the app and click on this button. See, you can see the print statement here, the value of counter. So also for easy access to the device monitor, you can go to the environmental variable and add this path there. So for that, just copy this and go to the environmental variables, click on environmental variables and go to the path, click on new and paste that here. Sorry, not this one, just controls, copy this one and paste that here, click on OK, press OK, just enter monitor and press enter. See, now you can see the all the logs that's happening in your real device. So you will get the exact log what you want on your release build also. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Support me by like, share, comment on my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.